here we are. This off. So we get on here.
You can tell all your friends how Hayden and I when you drew on his shop.
So, yeah.
I'm your best friend ever.
Why not? Yeah.
The greatest guy.
Greatest guy in the world over here, Mr. Hayden Campbell. That's what I'm telling him right now. Is so gracious to let me bring all my junk
To my shop.
in the trunk of a truck so that I can get this off.
Not me though, I'm really humble. I also think I'm hilarious.
We're gonna be best friends by the end of this. Me and my best friend.
Say what?
I should probably take off the rear main. Or the rear, what would you call it? This thing right here.
Welcome to Hayden's Jump Trip. Look what I've done. I took something that kind of worked and turned it into something that definitely doesn't work.
Into a pile of parts.
Experience.
Why did you take that apart again?
Because I wanted this right here. I wanted this piece.
Oh.
So I can 3D scan this.
Right. Because that, you can say that's the automatic bell housing to the V6 engine, right? To that Acura engine, whatever the hell.
Yeah. So this has the J bell housing pattern, right?
So if you can scan that, then you know what you need for your adapter plate to put onto.
This has the RX-8 pattern. So if I scan both of those, that side and that, literally what I'm making is an adapter that's
Yes.
this.
I gotcha.
It's literally those two pieces because this is the part that goes to the RX-8 trans.
Yep.
And that's the part that goes to the J motor. So
Yep.
literally that's what I'm trying to make.
Okay. I don't know if that makes sense to you folks, but yeah, so what mad scientist over here is gonna do is with an RX-8 that has a blown RX-8 engine in it, blown rotary, he is going to take patent pending, a unknown V6 engine. How about that? Let's leave that code out of it. And
anybody that knows anything about cars,
well, you never know.
what you're talking about.
Yeah, so the transmission, so that's the transmission plate
We make it fit.
to the RX-8's stock transmission, the manual.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then that's going to be the adapter plate for the engine over there. He mocks it, scans it, and then makes a file of it. Stick it in a stew.
Boil it, mash it, and stick it in the stew.
Mash it, bash it, put it in the stew.
Very well.
Yeah.
You need a Ford water pump that works just fine. It just doesn't flow enough for drifting.
I think I'm good on those. I had one and I recently just got rid of it, so it's funny that you want me to take one of yours now. I wish you did too. Okay, so whole part of this channel, right, was me being honest with all of you. I am a car guy. I am by no means I'm a good mechanic. I'm not a great mechanic, okay? Anyways, I'm learning here. And one thing that I learned today is even though I took apart this head correctly, slowly disassembled it, I was going to totally just turn around and put this on my good block over there until my buddy Hayden reminded me to take a closer look at this. And these are the cam caps, journals, whatever you want to call them. See how that really shiny spot right in the middle? These had glitter as we like to say, metal shavings from when this motor knocked, that got all over up in here. So basically all of this is garbage. I could probably go and take it to a machine shop, get it all worked out. Not gonna do it. It's gonna cost me way too much money to do that. So now, let's make it for an entertaining thing. I have 2 heads that I have located here in Utah that I can go and take a look at to see how they are, including a friend up north that might let me buy his. So they needs to be a VVTi head, because that's the winning combination with these engines is the non-VVTi block with a VVTi head. So for right now, all of this is garbage. Old Hayden is such a bummer. Not letting me put together an engine that will blow itself up, not immediately, but quick. So yeah, it sucks, but it's okay. It's a step back. It's a step back. Full disclosure, I was very deflated. As soon as I discovered this, I was like, why do I do this with these cars? Like, screw it. Like, I had that thought in my head. Sell it. Sell the car, get your money back, like scrap the whole thing, and just buy old reliable car, like a TDI Jetta, and just go on living a normal life free of cars and heartache. But I wouldn't be able to stay away forever. So we're gonna keep going with this. Gonna find something that's gonna make this work. But for right now, we can still at least continue building the block. We'll get that looking good, nice and strong with all the parts that are coming in for that as well overnight from Japan. Actually 2 weeks from Japan. But either way, we'll scrap this, maybe make some nice little, I don't know, paperweights, hang it up on the wall. All right. I should have checked this forever ago. So if you ever take apart your head and it's been knocking, take off one of your caps. So look at this, finger, clean, right? And then this one I haven't touched yet. See that glitter on there? Maybe, maybe not. Anyway, metal shavings. Just to show you. Again, full transparency, I'm not a professional, I am learning. That's why I'm having my buddy who is a good mechanic teach me all of this stuff. So if anybody has any questions, please comment. Foolish of me, right? But we learn every single day. We learn something new. That's what my grandma said. And today I learned to be very weary of using the parts off of a knocked motor. So, should have just done a Honda swap. Should have just done a K series. Plentiful. They're everywhere. That would have been easy. But I've seen 1 or 2 K swapped IS300s.
They just use the adapter?
I think so. I haven't looked that far into it. Don't tempt me. Don't tempt me. I'm too far down this rabbit hole.
We do a J series?
What's J series? The BMW? Oh, the V6, Honda V6? We'll get stupid with an RX-8. So continuing on. What?
Need that? Is that yours?
Yeah, it goes to something, I'm sure.
Alright.
Pretty sure. Doesn't come on the floor normally. Okay, so I'm gonna strip this down a little bit more. But yeah, so continuing on, we're talking if we were going to try and salvage this head, because there's glitter most likely all throughout in here. I mean, we've already seen it just by wiping these a little bit. So these little ball bearings right here, as Hayden was saying, are part of the oil galley. And that means this whole head is full of glitter. So you'd have to pop these off, which is a pain. You have to apparently weld to them, pop them off, and then you have to flush it. I mean, you gotta think, like, if this whole thing travels and it has oil that's going throughout the entire thing, that means there are metal particles all throughout that head. and those little metal particles will grind down everything. As you can see here, they will just destroy it. So if I'm going for reliable power and just reliability, using this head would be not wise. I would have to do a lot to get it to where it needs to be. So head is no good. Head is no good. But we're still gonna get some parts off of this thing. Actually, I don't even know if I can use, well, maybe I can use that. Yeah, look in there. So I'll go home, take it apart, and scrap it. So learning. All right, friends, that is it for this evening. I'm not sure when I'm gonna close out this video. Maybe I'll do it now, and I'll make a video, and maybe we'll start the other one later on. Tomorrow. We'll see. So, yeah, for now, I guess this is goodbye. We got some hunting to do. We're gonna go look at a head tomorrow, maybe. Hunting, and then
some hunting.
We're gonna put this thing together, right? We're gonna put that engine in there and make it go fast. Make it move. It'll go fast. It's turbo, and that's it. So, all right, friends. Again, thanks for watching. Of course, like, comment, subscribe. Help me build this channel so that Hayden and I can continue eating steak and eggs every day.
I just want free car parts. Give me free car parts.
Free car parts would be really rad. I could really use some free car parts.
Get popular enough that I can get some free car parts.
So help us get popular enough to where we can both get free car parts. All right, thanks friends, bye.